I'm going to take a look at Master Box's Dangerous Curve series, Kate, Ashley, and Allie, and we'll look at the new Ancient Greek Myth series kits, the Centaur. Each kit is 1/24 scale. It retails around $15 each, and they are available online or at your local hobby shop. I'll start with Kate. Beautiful box art. The box art's done by the great Mr. Petalin, and the sculptor of the kit is Mr. A. Gargarin. There's the front of the box. Back of the box shows assembly of the kit, instructions, and a suggested paint guide. The kit itself comes on one sprue molded in gray styrene, and detail on it is just absolutely extremely sharp. The head, hair, and legs, which I mean the jeans on there is just very sharp detail. Her jacket and her handbag. No flash that I can see of whatsoever on Kate. Kit number 2, Ashley. Again, beautiful box art. Again, the box art's done by the same gentleman, Mr. Petalin, on all 4 kits, and the sculpting's done by Mr. A. Gargarin on all 4 kits. Beautiful box art. Back to the box shows basically the instructions, the assembly of the kit, and a suggested paint guide. Again, kit's molded on one sprue, molded in gray styrene, and the detail on it very, very sharp. A little walkie-talkie, her sidearm, detail on her pants is extremely sharp. No flash to speak of. Excellent kit. Next up, Allie. Again, beautiful box art. Back to box does show the instructions and suggested painted guide. It does come in one sprue molded in gray styrene. And where's her head? Let's start with her head. There she goes. A beautiful, beautiful sculpt. I mean, just very sharp, clean, and unique subject. Again, detail on it is very, very crisp. Very clean molding. No flash to speak of. Even the fingers are well defined. Even her cell phone. And up next, the Centaur. This is their new Ancient Greek Myth series. Again, beautiful box art. Back to the box does show you the instructions and a suggested paint guide. And also parts layout. This kit's actually bigger than the Dangerous Curve series, as it's a bigger tree. I would almost say you get 2 kits, a half figure and basically almost a whole horse. But anyway, the horse on here, again, no flash. The kit itself is extremely very clean. The detail on it very, very sharp. You can tell by the saddle horse strap there. Just a very excellent kit here. Face detail very sharp. The armor, her helmet, even her weapons here are well defined. Her sword and especially her arrow, her bow, torso. Absolutely great kits. I mean, these are just absolutely fantastic. I do highly recommend the Dangerous Curves and the new Ancient Greek Myths series. Highly recommend them.